I built a little house inside my chest today, to hide the words I'm too afraid to say, hoping you hear them in some quiet way. You looked at me and time began to slow. There is a rhythm only we can know, a buried seed that is starting